Hello everyone, welcome back to Awesome Samanian. I'm Sugeshi with a new video. In this video, we are going to see installation of Aqua Glory RO water purifier. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to Awesome Samanian now and press the bell icon for notification of new videos. Here you are seeing Aqua Glory with a black color tank with 13 liter storage capacity, and it has got 7 stage optional filtration system. And here you are seeing the filtration system. From the right, there is a sediment filter, pre-carbon filter, reverse osmosis membrane, and post-carbon filter. And at the top, there is a UV filter. Apart from this, there is one more filter outside the purifier. Let's see the uses of each filter. From the right, the first one, sediment filter, it removes suspended impurities in water like sand, dust, dirt, rust, etc. And from the right, the second filter, which is called pre-carbon filter, which eliminates color, odor, free chlorine, and also absorbs insecticides and pesticides. And the third filter is called the reverse osmosis membrane, which removes even dissolved impurities like arsenic, rust, pesticide, fluorides, etc., besides removing bacteria and viruses. And the fourth one, post carbon filter, is to enhance the taste of water after RO purification. It also removes residual chlorine and other remaining organic particles from the water. And the filtration system one at the top is UV for double purification, and it totally kills bacteria and viruses. And UF membrane is missing in this purifier, and it has a similar function like UV, which removes bacteria and cysts from water. So this Aqua Glory purifier, I could say this has got a 6-stage purification filtration system. So one good thing about having a black color tank is that it avoids formation of fungus to an extent. Let's see how we are mounting or installing the water purifier now. For mounting the water purifier, you gotta drill 4 holes in the wall. You can also buy a stand to hold your water purifier at the bottom, which is optional, and that cost around rupees 350. Your existing tap has to be fitted with an on or off knob to allow the water to go into the water purification system. This is the filter which is outside the water purifier, and this has to be changed for every 3 to 4 months, and this cost around rupees 100. The water outlet pipe has been checked whether it is releasing water. So for every 1 liter of drinking water, there will be an 1 liter of wastage of water as well. So you can use that water for vessel cleaning and something else. And the small attachment you're seeing here is the TDS controller. TDS stands for Total Dissolved Solids. As per Bureau of Indian Standards, the acceptable TDS in potable water is 500 mg per liter and the hardness is 200 mg per liter. It's a good practice to install RO water if your TDS is more than 500. And also consider the water we get from RO will have low TDS, which will remove some important minerals from the water as well. Keep that in consideration before installing an RO water purifier. The purpose of the TDS controller is to control the TDS of the filtered water. You can keep it low or you can increase it. With low TDS, the sweetness and the taste of the water will be good, and with high TDS, you can't expect that much of taste. So it's all about your preference. It's all about your consideration. Keep these things in mind when you are opting for a RO water purifier. To be frank, the TDS controller, what it does, if you want more TDS water, it will add more of your tap water to the purification system. It's all about your choice and preference. Let's see further how the connection been set up for the filtration system. And for cleaning, the tank of a lemon is used, and you can see the lemon is being applied to the edges of the tank. You can clean the tank every month or two with a lemon as shown in the video. Now the tank is filled up with water to see for any leakage or something in the tank. Here we go, we are going to mount the water purifier. and you need to flush off the first water from the fully filled tank. If you want, you can even flush off the second purified water from the fully filled tank as well, and then you can use it for drinking. So that's all from me for today installation of Aqua Glory RO water purifier. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel Awesome Samanian and press the bell icon for notification of new videos. I will see you in a different video. With that note, this is Sugesh, your Awesome Samanian, signing off. Let's be awesome. Take care. Tada, bye bye.